Hi guys, my name is Storm, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add any texture to text in Adobe Premiere. Now we can't do any of that without a text layer, so we'll create that first. With your text layer still selected, go to the Essential Graphics tab and make sure you're on Edit instead of Browse. Now if you can't see this panel, go to Window and look for Essential Graphics. Make sure this option is checked. We are now going to add the texture to this project. We do so by creating a new layer and in the drop-down menu, select From File. Simply locate and select your texture and click on Open. Now make sure the texture covers the entire screen. Back to the Essential Graphics tab, we're going to drag the texture underneath the text layer. Now the last thing we need to do is go to the Effect controls, open the options for the text, scroll down, and make sure the Mask with Text box is checked. And that's it, the texture is now added to our text. Since the texture is on the same layer as the text, it will move with the text. So if you, for example, increase the size of the texture will stay the same. If this video was of any help to you, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel for any future content. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!